Up off the early trying to make it happen. We not having, so I can't be lacking.
Hello Vlogs fam, welcome to another video. Pag bago ka dito, make sure you hit the subscribe button, pati na din yung notification bell. Huwag nyo kalimutan din i-follow yung Spotify playlist ko, link in the description down below. Yung mga kantang nandun is yung mga kantang magagawa ko, pati na din yung mga kantang pinoproduce ko. So pag hindi nyo alam yung mga ibang kanta ko, at saka yung mga ibang kantang pinoproduce ko, just follow the playlist man, para maging updated kayo palagi. Kasi yun nga, every month may bagong kanta akong isa. So pag di kayo updated sa may ibang social media ko, so just follow the playlist and you're gonna be updated to anything, okay? And then let's get to the video.
People passing, I gotta go and get it for my time is passing. So keep these methods to my madness, free my mind of all this fabric, slept on me more than a mattress. But see, I'm cut from different fabric and get it in trendy fashion, fell in love with God's magic. The path I chose was a long way. Since I was a PE, I learned to hold my own weight. Up off the early trying to make it happen. We not having, so I can't be lacking. Why be passive with all of these passions? My time passing and people passing, I gotta go and get it for my time is passing. So keep these methods to my madness, free my mind of all the traffic, slept on me more than my own weight. It kept me case free and my karma in good shape. They told me dead or in jail, but that was just their weight. So I move light, not my price, won't show face. I got one life, live my advice and own pace. They love my life, my destiny, not for debate. Nobody said the going would be safe. Commas go, on my own advice can show you niggas where your commas go. Trying to lead a generation stuck in a comatose. Life is a bitch, but it made me tap my toes. Changing, going through some changes. Coping with some changes, new money, new faces. Split, I'm out to face it. Going through some changing, I can feel things changing. Going through some change. Punch me in for the verse. Just live on my truth, don't got nothing to prove. This shit, one more time. Just live on my truth, don't got nothing. This shit, just live on my truth, don't got nothing to prove. What I gotta prove, but I give away like I'm about to prove. One more time. One more time. Living my truth, don't got nothing to prove. The word is my oyster, got nothing to lose. This shit out of body, just watch how we move. They pray that you pray most, you niggas is fool. Get more with the family, we move like the Jews. Done them with them faces unless they come blue. That night my boo, I'm just not gonna boost. I keep it wet like I'm Bobby Boo. One time. Let me hear that though.
Ayun man, kinaumagahan na ngayon. It's currently, 7:23 AM. Papauwi na ako. Hindi na ako nagpaalam sa kanila kasi natulog na sila. Yung kapatid ng nag-drive sa akin, si Shaq, natulog na din ata kasama yung babae niya. So, yeah, binala ako na paalam. Uwi na ako ngayon. 7 minutes, 20 minutes ang lakad lang pauwi. So, lakad na lang ako pauwi ngayon. Tingnan mo yung view dito, man. Ang angas, bro. So, man, like I said, maglalakad na lang ako pa uwi kasi malapit na naman talaga nandito to sa apartment namin. It's like, yeah, really close, bro. Ewan ko, tama ba to? Yes! Please open, bro. Thank fucking God. Okay. Now, journey na tayo papauwi, man. Tangina. Sana na-enjoy niyo yung vlog natin. Wala pa akong tulog, man. Since nagtrabaho ko kahapon, di ba? Apat na oras o 5 oras ng tulog ko. So I'm living off 4 or 5 hours of sleep right now. So nag-invest na lang ako and shit para long lasting yung tangin ng creativity ko doon sa mga ginagawa namin kanina. Yeah, man, we made some shit. Nagpe-play lang ako ng mga beats kanina sa kanila kasi yung mga beats na yun, yung mga beats talaga na sa yung mga ginawa ko sa New Jersey. Tapos na-vibe naman nila yung iba. Yung si Shaq kasi gusto niya yung futuristic, pero yung kapatid niyang nakalimutan ko yung pangalan niya, pero sorry, man, pero gusto niya kasi yung mga sample type beats. So sample type beats ko, solid naman yung mga ko doon, mga pinagagawa ko sa mga sample type beats. Tapos pag futuristic type shit naman, mga PO born, kuha ko pa din. So yan, man, big tips ko sa mga taong producers and shit. Know your talent, bro. Practice ka muna sa isang genre. Practice mo yan. Go, be the best of that shit. And then pag kaya mo nang magpunta sa ibang genre, gawin mo yun, man. Wag kang mag-stick to one genre lang. Experiment ka din minsan-minsan, you know? Like, para marami kang makater na rappers and shit. So yeah, man, this is gonna be the end of the series that I'm gonna be doing. I'm just gonna split this to 2. So Shaq's studio session, I mean, and his brother, which is, I don't know his name yet, session part 2 or yeah, that's the part 2 of the session. Alright, man. Nahiya na ako kasi may mask na. But yeah, man, like, share, subscribe. Pagod na talaga ako, man. But yeah, like I said, like, share, subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Peace.